Guys, welcome to my channel. Today guys, we will cook pork and beef caldereta. These are the ingredients: onion, garlic, onion. We have green pepper, bell pepper, carrots and potato. We have pickle release, green peas, tomato sauce, tomato paste, liver spread, cheese. We have seasoning, Mamacita's Caldereta, beef. This is already pressure cook. And we have here the pork. We will mix the two together and we will cook pork and beef caldereta. Join me guys, we will cook pork and beef caldereta. Salt is also included. We'll be back guys. Walang isda. Parang sumasayaw yung kaldero.